Okay guys, we have another circuit here. So we have 120 volts voltage source, and then this is 30 kilo ohms in series, of course, with 50 kilo ohms, and then this is the our VO. VO is actually the voltage across 50 kilo ohms, and then we're supposed to connect a load through this set of terminals, and that load is our RL. So the first question is, what is voltage VO at no load? Before that, we can uh, put a voltage here, that is the voltage across the 30 kilo ohms. Let us call that V1. So this is plus minus since the current is going in that direction. So we have VO by voltage division principle, right? Voltage division principle, guys. So by VDP. What is VO? VO is, of course, 120 is going to be divided into two voltages. The first one is V1, and then the other one is V2. In this particular case, it is VO. So that is why it's called voltage division principle. Why? A source of voltage is going to be divided into two set two voltages. So VO therefore equals 120, the one that is divided. On the numerator, since VO, so the numerator should be the 50 kilo. And then this is 50 kilo plus 30 kilo. So kilo will cancel. And the answer should be, so what do we have? 120 times 50 divided by 80. The answer is 75 volts. So we have now 75 volts VO. That's the first question. So we were able to answer first question. Now for the next question, VO when RL is 450 kilo ohms. When RL is 450 kilo ohms, we are going to connect now the RL, and it will become a series combination of these two resistors, the 50 kilo and the 450 kilo. So the combination are equivalent. Let us just put it here, are equivalent. If for letter B, this is letter A, this is A, B, and C. So R equivalent of 50 and 50 kilo and 450 kilo is 50 times 450 divided by 50 plus 450. And the answer here is 50 times 450 divided by 500. The answer is 45 kilo. 45 kilo ohms. So the combination of this is 45 kilo ohms, and the voltage is still VO. The voltage across them is still VO. So by voltage division again, VO is, of course, 120. The voltage to be divided is 120. On the numerator, it's no longer 50 as in the first case. So it should be 45 already, 45. The combination of 450 and 50. So 45 kilo, then this is 45 kilo plus 30 kilo. So kilo will cancel. So what should now be the answer? 120 times 45 divided by 75. The answer is 72 volts. 72 volts. So you were able to get or to solve letter B. Let us go to letter C. Letter C, what is the power dissipated by the 50 kilo ohm when terminals are accidentally short-circuited? So short-circuited is to connect these two terminals shorted. So if these two terminals are shorted, then no current will flow through 50 kilo ohms. Why? There is a resistance there. The current that will flow uh, will be directed towards the short circuit. So no current will pass through 50 kilo ohms already. There is a resistance there. Current will not pass. There is no resistance here, so the current will pass through here. So through the short circuit terminals. Therefore, for letter C, I of 50 kilo should be 0. I. Therefore, power by the 50 kilo ohm resistor should be 0. So that's it.